Hello, nice to see you again. In this lesson, you're going to learn the simple past tense. You're going to learn how to form and use the simple past tense. First, let's talk about its form. With most verbs, the past tense is formed by adding ed. For example, live, infinitive. Lived, past tense. Start, started. Die, died. But there are a lot of irregular past tense forms in English. Here are the most common irregular verbs in English with their past tense forms. For examples, be, infinitive. Was or were, past tense. Write, wrote. Meet, met. Notice that lived, started, died are regular past forms. Was, wrote, and met are irregular past forms. Regular verbs. The verbs lived, started, died are regular past forms. The rule is the following: verb plus ed. For example, live, infinitive. Lived, past tense. Start, started. Die, died. Visit, visited. Play, played. Irregular verbs. The verbs was, wrote, and met are irregular past forms. Was is the past tense of to be. Wrote is the past tense of write. And met is the past tense of meet. There's no rule for these words. You should learn them by heart. For example, be, infinitive. Was or were, past tense. Write, wrote. Come, came. Do, did. Meet, met. Now, let's talk about forms of the past simple positive. For example, he met his wife in 2000. I lived abroad for 10 years. She played a lot of tennis when she was younger. Notice that positive form, subject plus past tense verb plus blah blah blah. Next, past simple questions and negatives. We use did to make questions with the past simple. For example, when did you meet your wife? Did you live abroad? Did she play tennis when she was younger? Notice that question form, question words plus did plus subject plus infinitive plus blah blah blah, then question mark. Question words like what, when, where, etc. We use didn't, did not to make negatives with the past simple. He didn't meet his wife in 2000. I didn't live abroad for 10 years. She didn't play a lot of tennis when she was younger. Notice that didn't is a contraction form of did not. So, the negative form, subject plus didn't plus infinitive plus blah blah blah. You've learned the forms of the past simple tense. But when do we use the past tense? We use the past tense to talk about 1. Something that happened once in the past. He met his wife in 2000. We went to Thailand for our holidays. They got home very late last night. 2. Something that happened several times in the past. When he was a boy, he walked to school every day. We swam a lot while we were on holiday. They always enjoyed visiting their friends. 3. Something that was true for some time in the past. I lived abroad for 10 years. He enjoyed being a student. She played a lot of tennis when she was younger. 4. We often use expressions with ago with the past simple. He met his wife a long time ago. I played football with my friends 1 hour ago. Karen phoned me 5 days ago. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lessons. Bye!